Hello and welcome folks. There are lots of VR games coming this year. The top 10 games which I am listing today are just a few of all which will be launching this year. So let's don't waste our time too much and directly dive into find the new VR games come this year 2020. Let's start with everyone's favorite fast-footed Hedgehog Sonic. Virtua Sonic is a high-speed VR experience inspired by everyone's favorite fast-footed hedgehog, in which players jeep across custom zones as they gather coins and defeat enemies using a variety of special abilities. The demo of this VR game is going to be available this September at the annual Sonic Amateur Games Expo. This video is provided by creators shows players sprinting throughout a handful of colorful environments in order to run players pump their arms in a rhythmic motion similar to that of existing VR games such as Survivors Sprint Vector. According to the game's creator, the idea behind Virtua Sonic is to push the boundaries of VR gaming. More specifically, how to deliver comfortable high-speed movements in VR without triggering motion sickness in the player. Virtua Sonic will be available for demo this September at Sage 2020 before launching on all Steam VR compatible headsets including HTC Vive, HTC Vive Pro, Windows Mixed Reality, Valve Index, Oculus Rift, Oculus Rift S, Oculus Quest via Oculus Link, and the Pico Neo 2. Let's move to the number 9. Blaston is said to be pit players against each other in intense player vs player duels that challenge them to stay in constant motion and blast their opponents with the incredible precision using an assortment of high-tech futuristic weaponry. The trailer and the studio's description of the game suggests that Blaston will be limited to 1 vs 1 combat. The Blaston is developed by Resolution Games. Resolution Games hasn't announced which headset or platform the game will launch on, though I suspect that the Oculus Quest is sure bet considering many of the studio's other games have been available on Oculus standalone headset. The company indicates that the game is set to launch on the Quest this fall with other headsets to follow in the future. Number 8. Puzzle Bobble. The video is just old video gameplay because we don't have any official trailer yet or gameplay yet. However, a concept image shows that the VR adaptation of Puzzle Bobble will involve a handheld slingshot challenging users to match up a colored 3D cluster of bubbles. Survivors, the studio behind Creed, Rise to Glory 2018 and Raw Data 2017 announced it's currently developing a VR version of the 90s title arcade puzzling game Puzzle Bobble 1994. Also known as the Buster Move in some regions. The same is being developed in partnership with the Taito, the Japan-based creators of the original franchise. There is no release date yet, but I think that it will be come around fall of 2020. Number 7. Until You Fall. Until You Fall brings a rich melee combat experience with sharpening your sword skills on monster inside the game. The game, which is normally priced $20, will cost $25 on all platforms when it heads out of early access. Until You Fall is leaving early access on PC sometime in fall 2020. Along with it comes 2 new platforms, PSVR and Oculus Quest. Once out of early access, both Steam VR and Oculus Rift platform version of the game will feature performance optimization, achievements, balance updates, bug fixes and quality of life updates. Number 6. Project Car 3. Project Car 3, the upcoming sequel to the racing simulator franchise, is set to include VR support when it launches on the PC in August 2019. The studio says it will include over 200 race and road cars, over 140 global tracks, customizable liveries and car upgrades with realistic performance parts. Tracks are said to include a 24-hour night and day cycle with all weather represented in addition to enhanced AI racers. A new career mode promises to deeply engaging. Slightly Mad Studios had confirmed that Project Scar 3 will be releasing on all supporting platforms on August 28, 2020. The Project Car franchise 2015 included VR support for experimental purpose, but the Project Car 2, it really improved upon its predecessor with, among other things, a better physics engine, putting in more firmly in the simulator side of things. Let's wait August 28th to get hand-on experience. Number 5. Star Citizen. Star Citizen may be the world's most ambitious early access project for those still holding their breath. The company has recently affirmed that VR support is still planned as an eventful feature, and the game's developers say the new UI design is made with VR in mind. Star Citizen, the space adventure game seemingly in perpetual early access, has been committed to adding VR support since well before customer headsets existed. Star Citizen comes in development since 2012, since the Star Citizen has exploded in terms of its scope and scale. The game's become so major that it will get $303 million in funding, practically dwarfing its original $2.1 million from Kickstarter backers. The game Persistence universe has since added in missions, cargo delivery, privacy, bounty hunting, planetary landings, first-person combat, and mining. Plenty of things to design around should the game ever support VR headsets. Number 4. Marvel's upcoming superhero simulator Iron Man VR is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2020. It is developed by Studio Camouflage and being published by Sony. Releasing this 3rd July, players will have the chance to step into the shoes of one of the Marvel's most iconic heroes as take on the series of vertigo-inducing missions that will have them jetting back and forth across the globe. In this game, you will get some exciting combat abilities like boosting at high speed, rocket punch, ground pound, uni-beam, and get some really powerful weapons to fight your enemies. You will find a garage and armor station where you can upgrade your armor and weapons. In the game, you will also find some classic players like Pepper Potts, Nick Fury, and Friday, along with others that haven't been revealed yet. Number 3. Soldiers of World Combat. The game is developed the First Contact Entertainment, who also developed Zero Hour 2018. The game was announced a year ago, and in June 2020, the studio has revealed the first gameplay footage and release date. The game's release date is set for August 27th on Oculus Quest and Rift, followed by a PSVR launch later this year. From the gameplay trailer, the thing that stands out the most is the game's surprising pace. Most VR shooters are tactical and slow-paced, partly because moving quickly in VR can be clunky and even dizzying. Number 2. Population 1. Big Box VR announced that its upcoming VR battle royale shooter Population 1 is heading back into invite-only for playtesting. Big Box VR is currently focused on Quest platform. Population 1 aims to make a battle royale a fully immersive experience, allowing you to explore on a 1 square kilometer map and climb essentially anything you come across. You can also design your own structure like certain other popular battle royale games, and you can glide over the map in a wingsuit to get the drop on your opponents. There are fewer people per match than other non-VR battle royale games. A typical match only has 24 people, but that makes every encounter even more important. Let's move towards the final one, Star Wars Squadron. The game is making VR community very excited. Star Wars Squadron is an upcoming multiplayer dogfighter in which players engage in high-stakes space combat using an array of recognizable starfighters made famous throughout the films. Game is going to launch on 2nd October on PS4, Xbox One and PC. Also, there is a very good news for VR players because it will launch for PlayStation VR and PC VR headsets. Star Wars Squadrons features a brand new story set just after the event of Star Wars Return of the Jedi. The best part of the game is that you can choose from 2 customizable pilots from the Republic's Vanguard Squadron and the Galactic Empire's Titan Squadron. In the process, they will step into the cockpits of various iconic starfighters featured throughout the original trilogy, including the X-Wing and TIE Fighter. Star Wars Squadron is available now for pre-order with an official launch scheduled for October 2nd. Those subscribed to EA Access and Origin Access Basic will receive 10 hours of free play time at launch. Origin Access Premier members will receive full access to the basic release. That's all for right now in top 10 new VR games coming this year. I will make more videos for the upcoming new VR game which are coming along this year. Leave a like if you like this video and make sure you subscribe for all my future content. And let's meet again in the next video. Peace out.